This truck Mercedes Actros is having a problem with the steering wheel. The steering wheel is too hard when turning in any direction. This video will show a possible cause why the steering wheel becomes hard and show how a complete repair of the hydraulic steering cylinder. The first step is to check the steering oil reservoir level. Now the steering wheel is in normal operation. We try to run the truck to observe the problem. After running for almost 50 kilometers. Now the steering wheel is making sounds and vibrations. Check a possible leak on the steering pipeline. There is no oil leak on the hydraulic cylinder. No steering oil leak on the steering pump. Check the steering oil reservoir. There is no oil on the steering oil reservoir. In this case, check the oil level on the gearbox. The gearbox is full of steering oil. This is the cause of the problem. The oil leak is coming from the radial piston steering pump. Pull out the radial piston steering pump and replace the shaft oil seal. Unfasten the shaft nut. Remove the gear to pull out the seal. Now remove the shaft seal. Install new shaft oil seal. Install new steering oil filter. Another cause of steering wheel being hard, oil leak on the steering cylinder shaft seal. If there is a steering oil leak on the cylinder shaft, then might encounter the steering wheel hard and sometimes steering wheel vibration due to air circulating to the entire steering pipeline. This is a twin steering cylinder. In this case, we need to pull out the hydraulic steering cylinder for repair. The first is to pull out the seal-lock pin. Remove the circlip ring. Push the shaft seal housing at least 2 inches to make it easy to pull out the retaining ring. Now push inside the retaining ring. Turn left to remove the rear piston cylinder. Push the piston to insert the piston drive key into the rod guide socket. Now, turn right to unfasten the threaded rod guide. Use a plate to hold the shaft. Avoid touching the shiny surface of the shaft. Now remove the nut to pull out the piston. Remove O-ring and the seal. Install new O-rings and seals. Install the rod seal. Install the rod wiper. After installing seals and O-rings, now we can start to rebuild the steering cylinder. Insert the piston into the rear cylinder. Then insert the threaded rod guide and tighten it by turning to the right. Hold the piston shaft and turn to locate the piston drive key. Turn the shaft to the right to tighten the rod guide till reaching the pinhole. Temporarily, put the lock pin into the pinhole. Now install the front piston cylinder. Tighten the cylinder by turning it to the left. When it is near to reach the pinhole, change the position of the steering cylinder. Lock the shaft to stop turning while fastening the cylinder. Now remove the pin. Now continue tightening the cylinder till the pinhole is aligned. Hope this video will help. Thank you for watching.